No doubt, living a lifestyle that allows you to travel the world while doing digital nomad jobs from your laptop is too good to be true. Your first thought is that there is something strange going on, and that is completely fine. Being a digital nomad is not in violation of any laws in any way. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Hustler. Today we are going to talk about is being a digital nomad legal and reasons why it is legal. So without further ado, let's get into it. Working abroad as a digital nomad. About visa. One of the most significant considerations is visa requirements. Depending on where you plan to go, you may need to apply for a work visa ahead of time. This can be a difficult and time-consuming process, so do your research and begin the application process as soon as possible. Once you've sorted out your visas, you'll be able to enjoy the freedom and flexibility of being a digital nomad without fear of getting into legal trouble. A digital nomad visa, sometimes known as a remote working visa, is a permit or visa that enables you to live and work in a foreign country without having to submit an application for residency or citizenship in that country. Living in foreign countries. The term nomad refers to the fact that digital nomads are constantly on the go. Therefore, do digital nomads avoid breaking the law by staying in nations where they don't have to set up permanent residence or obtain a visa? They use traveler's visas. Passport holders from the United States, the United Kingdom, and the European Union can visit a large number of countries with just a tourist visa. So, digital nomads travel to a country, work there for a while, and then leave on a tourist visa. However, some nations have implemented digital nomad visas, allowing qualified remote employees to stay abroad for a year or more. Therefore, do digital nomads handle their mailing addresses, given that they are always on the move? In order to receive mail and maintain a local presence, some nomads rent a post office box back in their home country. Some people have their birth certificates registered at their parents' or relatives' residence. Thus, they can continue to receive mail and demonstrate a place of residence if necessary. About taxes. Yes, the payment of taxes is still required of digital nomads. Even if they perform their work on computers in different countries, they are still required to pay taxes on the money that they make. The amount of time that a nomad must stay in a nation before being considered a tax resident of that nation varies from country to country. In the majority of nations, digital nomads are required to start paying taxes after 183 days have passed. It is true that 183 days, or 6 months, is a common measurement. However, this threshold is not always adhered to. So, which countries should a digital nomad locate to? Croatia. Croatia is regarded to be a paradise for digital nomads as they are exempt from all taxes in the country. To be eligible, you must either register as a tax resident in Croatia within 3 months of moving there, or get a 1-year digital nomad residence permit under the Croatia Your New Office program if you are not a European Union national, unless you are a national of a country benefiting from a visa-free regime. Dubai. Dubai is well known among digital nomads and freelancers. Aside from providing a great living environment and cutting-edge infrastructure, residents are nearly entirely exempt from income tax. Is it all okay to work as a digital nomad? When on a tourist visa, you are not permitted to work. These regulations, however, were created to prevent visitors from taking jobs from residents, which does not apply to digital nomads. Will the cops apprehend you if you open your laptop on the beach or go to a co-working space? It is theoretically possible, however, the police authority ignores this for 2 reasons. First, there is a legal gray area. You will be doing nothing wrong under the current text. Second, since you are, at the end of the day, a visitor who brings money into the economy without stealing employment from residents. Most digital nomads will urge you to follow your visa's duration constraints and to keep a low profile while working just in case. Carry on with your task, remembering that there is very little chance that someone may ask you questions. It's also a good idea to talk to digital nomads who have been or are now at a location you want to visit, specifically on the legal situation there and whether there are any practices or recommendations to follow. Final thoughts. To summarize, digital nomadism is relatively new, and there are numerous gray areas when it comes to working remotely while traveling. However, being a digital nomad does not imply that you are engaging in illicit activity. You must become acquainted with the regulations of your location regarding visas and remote work if they exist. You can also talk to nomads who have been there before and learn from their experiences. This way, you can almost always be certain of having a pleasant trip. As the culture of digital nomadism grows, it is inevitable that governments and legal authorities will begin to write legislation to address various facets of it. So, are you planning to become a digital nomad, or are you already one? Please let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. That's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. If so, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.